Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the quest Dokkan story. This is a must for beginner because a lot of Dragonstone that you can get from this event. Start, let's start and this one quest Dokkan story. There are 30 area and there are some uh per area there are some 8 mission and there are some mission that only 4 or 3 if I'm not forget, but it's a must clear this 30 area to get a lot of Dragonstone. It is a must for beginner, for that new to the game. Complete this first before you are doing some event like Dokkan event or even red zone or not. It's so high level in red zone, but you please do this first. Clear this quest Dokkan story. It's very easy and you got some good rewards from this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.